For letter C, I already did D. So for I'm sorry, by the way. So for letter C, um what was I to call this one? Okay, so I get my total. So do I so my X was negative 3.21 minus so do I minus it by the miles and then add the standard deviation, which is 6.1?
Give me one second. So you see, so you're talking about question C, right?
Uh-huh.
So let me just look at that number.
I was trying to write it down, but you already erased it, so.
Oh. So can you just give me your numbers really quick? Like your mean and your standard deviation?
My mean
Actually,
is
I have an idea. Is everyone like okay with this one? Because we can go back and do C with your numbers if you'd like.
yeah, sure.
Okay. So are you okay with this one? Can I erase this?
Yeah, I already did D.
Okay.
Thank you.
So can you give me your mean and your standard deviation?
My mean is 73.5, and then my
Wait, 72 or 73?
3.
73.5?
Uh-huh.
And the standard deviation?
6.7.
6.7. And it's asking for the fastest 15%?
5%.
5%. Okay. So you do. Okay, give me 1 second. So you will do 100 minus 5. You get 95% or 0.95. So the line, yours will be really close to the end. We'll say it's right there. You're looking for everything above this line. Yeah. So what we're going to do is, so 0, hold on.
You're talking about chapter 4, section 1. Yeah, not yet. That's doing that one next.
That's extras.
So what you're going to do in your calculator, you're going to go to second vars, inverse norm, and then 0.95 will be your area. Your mean will be 73.5. And then your standard deviation will be 6.7. So you will get, no, I didn't do that right, hold on.
And we're using the 0 and then the 1.
Wow. I think I was...
So this is we're using the same standard deviation as the one that comes with the problem.
So for the inverse norm, it'd be 0.95.
It's 100 minus the whatever they're asking.
And then standard deviation. That's not true. That's 5.7. So 3.5 minus 6.7. And that's the answer. Okay. Yeah, so for yours, you'll just go second vars, inverse norm. Your area will be 0.95. Your standard deviation will be 73.5. And then your mean will be 73.5. And your standard deviation will be 6.7. And then you just go enter, and then you'll have 84.52.
Oh, I get 99999.
Do you remember what you put in for your values for the inverse norm?
I put 0.95. Oh, we're not using normal CDF, are we?
No, we're using inverse norm.
Ah, my mistake. My mistake. Sorry. Okay. 2.95.
It's like the same exact problem.
Yeah, I
Did you
get 84.52.
Yes, that's your answer.
That's my answer?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. So for E, this is that. So what we're going to do, we're going to this is the speed limit on this stretch of the I-5 is 70 miles per hour. Approximate what percentage of the passenger vehicles travel above the speed limit on this stretch of the I-5? So it says the speed limit is 70 miles per hour. So let's draw a line where 70 miles per hour would be. So it'd be like a road here, okay? And we are looking for above the speed limit. So that means we're looking for all of these up here. So what we will do, we'll find the z-score. Z equals 70 minus 74.3 over 6.1, which gives us, if we look at our calculator, 70.3 equals minus 0.705. Now we are going to, so this number will be our lower. So we're going to go to our calculator, we're going to second vars, and we're going to go to normal CDF. And our lower will be minus 0.705, and our upper will be E99. And our mean will be 0, and our standard deviation will be 1. And we will get 0.760 when we round. We want to, since we're looking for a percent, this will be 76%. Yeah, 76%.
So it's gonna be that, so 1 minus that.
Do you guys have any questions on any of those?
The last one.
Okay. Is there a certain part you need help with?
I was trying to help a student find the study hall. I wasn't paying
Oh.
attention. Yeah, sorry.
The study hall? Oh, okay. So for E, okay. So it says the speed limit is 70 miles per hour. And so our mean is 74.3. So we drew a line at approximately where 70 miles per hour would be. And we're looking for above the speed limit. So above 70. So we're going to shade everything that is above 70. And then I will put 70. It's going to be kind of small. 70 is like right there. And so now we're going to find the z-score. So for the z equals 70, which is the speed limit. So 70 minus the mean, which is 74.3,
Okay.
over the standard deviation, which is 6.1. And then when we put that into the calculator, we get minus 0.705. And that will be our lower. So I can write that right here. So
Let me, so
0.7.
minus 72.5. And then you divide it by 6.1, right?
I divided 70 minus 74.3. That answer I divided by 6.1.
Okay, mine is a 35. Okay, 35. Okay.
And then whatever you get for that, that's your lower.
Mhm.
So then we're going to go to the calculator, get a second VARS, and then we're going to go to normal CDF.
Okay.
And your lower will be the number you got,
Okay.
and your
Okay.
upper will be E99.
My upper would be E99. Okay.
And then your mean will be 0, and your standard deviation will be 1.
Okay. Let me try it.
Okay. And just don't forget to turn the answer you get into a percentage and to put the percent sign at the end.
Oh, okay. Okay. So 3, 6, 3. Oh, this one is wrong.
It's wrong?
Oh, I did. Okay, let me try putting the. Yeah. Maybe I did something wrong on my part.
Do you want to like tell me your numbers and we can try to figure it out?
Wait, is my number also 70? Maybe that's where I messed up. Yeah, my number is 72. 70. 70, and then my mean is 73.5, standard deviation 6.7. That's where I messed up.
And so your speed limit is also 70?
Yeah, I see where I messed up. I accidentally put 2.1 instead of 6.7.
Oh, okay.
Let me retry it again.
Okay.
6.7. Yeah, 6.7. Okay. It's 59. 59. Okay.
Yeah.
59. And 9.03. And then 0.1 close. Oh. All right.
You got it?
Nope.
No? Okay. So let's try to figure out what happened.
Okay, so I get 59.03. Do I still put a decimal in front of the 59 or no?
Oh, it'll just be 59 point, the answer you got with a percent at the end.
Okay. Okay, so
That's gonna be the.
zero.
And then the same thing.
Yeah, it's not working for me.
Okay, so let's try to figure it out. So your speed limit is also 70, so let's just change that. So we have 73. 73.5. And then 6.7. So when you put that into the calculator, you have 70 minus 73.5 divided by 6.7. So did you get minus 0.522
No, I get 59.03 because I
for your,
round.
for your z-score?
Yeah, I did 70 minus 73.5, and then I divide that by 6.7. Yeah, I get 59.0298, so I round it, so 59.03.
Wait, so when just regularly in your calculator, you did 70 minus 73.5 and then divided that by 6.7
Yes,
and you get 0.59.
yes.
It's did you put that in like CDF or something? Because it's supposed to be a negative number.
No, I just do it regularly. Did I have to do it in CDF or no?
So can you just try 70 minus 73.5? So
Okay.
just do that. And what do you get?
7 minus 1,
70 minus 73.5.
negative 3.5.
Okay. So now divide that by 6.7.
3.5 divide that by 6.7. Oh, here you go. Negative 0.522.
Okay, that's what you're supposed to get. That's your z-score.
Okay.
That number is going to be your lower.
Okay.
So now, when you go to your calculator, you'll go to second VARS. Now you'll go to normal CDF. And your lower will be minus 0.522.
Minus 0.022.